Hi! Today, I will teach you how to add restrictions and activity completion to your learning activities on our LMS. Let's go ahead and add restrictions on your learning activity first. First, create your learning activity and enter the desired name and description. Once done, go to the right area of your screen and click Restrict Access to expand. Click the Add Restriction button and a pop-up screen will appear. There are several restrictions you can add to your learning activity. First, the activity completion. It requires the students to complete or not complete another activity that you will set. Then we have date. It prevents access until or from a specified date and time. The grade requires students to achieve a specified grade. When you use the student profile, it will control access based on fields within the student's profile. When using the release code, it will not be available to students until the student acquires a specific release code. And lastly, the restriction set. This adds a set of nested restrictions to apply complex logic. Now, choose the restriction you would like to set. Once done choosing, set the details of your restriction based on the options that appeared. Now you are done adding restrictions on your learning activity. This time, we will add the activity completion. On the right part of your screen, click Activity Completion to expand. The activity completion allows you to track the activity manually, automatically, or once the conditions are met. On completion tracking, choose the desired option. Choosing this student can manually mark the activity as completed allows the student to mark the said activity on their own. Otherwise, you have to set a condition for the activity to be marked completed. You have the option to require a view, grade, and expected date. Once done, click Save. Now, you learned how to add restriction and activity completion to your learning activity. Should you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact the Center for Digital Education on Facebook, email, and WeChat. Please like and subscribe for more LMS tutorials. Thank you and have a great day.